The 2025 Puma gets a cosmetic makeover that builds on the previous model's success. Expect a restyled grille with a honeycomb pattern, giving the front fascia a more aggressive look. The LED headlights are sleeker and integrated with the daytime running lights, DRLs, for better visibility and a modern touch. The redesigned bumper features geometric shapes and strong lines that imply movement, while the blacked-out fog light housings add a sporty vibe. The Puma retains its coupe-like silhouette with a sloping roofline that merges into a rear spoiler for improved aerodynamics. The full LED taillights are connected by a horizontal bar that emphasizes the car's width, and the rear bumper has a curved design that exudes strength and durability. Tech-laden interior. Though details about the interior are still scarce, expect the 2025 Puma to come loaded with tech features. Rumors point towards a fully digital instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system that will be compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is expected to retain the spacious feel and practicality of the previous model, with ample passenger and cargo space. Hybrid or electric powertrain. There's a good chance that the 2025 Puma will ditch the gasoline engine altogether in favor of a hybrid or electric powertrain. This aligns with Ford's overall commitment to electrification. The exact powertrain options haven't been revealed yet, but we can expect the Puma to deliver good fuel economy or impressive electric range. Overall, the 2025 Ford Puma seems poised to be a compelling option for those looking for a stylish, tech-savvy, and fuel-efficient compact SUV. With its anticipated electric or hybrid powertrain, it should also appeal to eco-conscious drivers. Let's wait for the official release to get a complete picture of the 2025 Puma's features, performance, and pricing.